Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Today we'll be discussing what will the internet look like in 2025. So let's get started. Now, 1. What is the internet in 2025? The future of the internet is not merely a collection of websites and online services. In 2025, it's going to be a gigantic spider web connecting trillions of devices, AI systems, AI gadgets, and smart infrastructure. It's not just about being connected. The internet itself will become more interactive, intelligent, and deeply ingrained in our daily lives. Just imagine a world where the web anticipates your needs, personalizes your experiences, and seamlessly integrates with your physical surroundings. This is the glimpse of the internet in 2025. Number 2. 5G and 6G speeds. As we move towards 2025, the internet will be characterized by ultra-fast speeds made possible by 5G and the emerging 6G networks. Downloads that take seconds instead of minutes, real-time video, AR, and VR applications will be the norm. But it's not just about speed. 5G and 6G also bring lower latency, which means more fluid gaming experiences, instant communication, and lag-free streaming. Imagine attending a virtual concert in real time without any noticeable delay. That's the kind of impact these faster speeds will have. 3. AI-powered internet. Artificial intelligence will be deeply embedded in every facet of the internet in 2025. Search engines will leverage AI to provide more accurate and personalized results. Ads will become more targeted. Chatbots will offer human-like customer service. And even websites will use AI to tailor content to your preferences. Moreover, AI will enhance internet navigation. Voice assistants will help us surf the web hands-free. Image recognition will make online shopping easier, and natural language processing will bridge the gaps between languages. It's almost like having a personal AI shopper or guide that understands your needs and preferences. 4. Decentralized Web3. By 2025, the internet will witness a significant shift towards decentralization. Web3 will gain prominence with blockchain-based websites and decentralized apps (dApps) becoming more prevalent. This means users will have more privacy and control over their data. Instead of relying on big tech companies, users will be able to store and manage their digital assets like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and digital identities in their own crypto wallets. Think of it as shifting from a centralized system, where a few big companies control most of the internet traffic, to a more distributed network, where power is given back to the users. Number 5. Edge computing and AI integration. The Internet of Things (IA) will have millions of devices connected. In 2025, refrigerators, TVs, cars, and even entire smart cities will be part of the internet. However, processing all this data in centralized data centers would lead to delays. That's where edge computing comes in. By bringing computation and data storage closer to where the users are, edge computing ensures faster response times and better efficiency. Imagine a smart city that can react instantly to changing conditions, a car that communicates seamlessly with its surroundings, or an appliance that can adjust its settings based on real-time feedback. 6. Cybersecurity and privacy upgrades. As the internet becomes more complex and interconnected, cybersecurity threats will continue to evolve. However, by 2025, the internet will offer robust security upgrades to counter these threats. AI will scan for threats in real time, analyzing vast amounts of data to identify vulnerabilities and prevent attacks. Biometric logins using face, voice, or retina scans will replace passwords, enhancing security and convenience. Users will have more control over their data thanks to blockchain encryption and decentralized storage. Think of it as having an always-on security guard that monitors and protects your digital assets. Number 7. Metaverse and our integration. The metaverse won't remain a virtual realm. In 2025, the internet will blend with augmented reality (AR). Our glasses, smart contact lenses, and other wearable devices will make the internet tangible, allowing us to interact with digital content overlaid on our environment. Imagine attending a virtual meeting in a conference room or shopping online while seeing the products in your living room. Education will also transform with students attending virtual global classrooms and immersive museums. The line between the physical and digital worlds will become blurred. Number 8. Cloud-first world. By 2025, we will live in a cloud-first world. Apps and data will primarily be stored in the cloud rather than on your local device. This shift allows you to access your files, work, and games from any device, anywhere. Imagine editing a document on your phone, saving it to the cloud, and then finishing it on your laptop. The cloud ensures that your work is always accessible and can be picked up from where you left off. It's like having an infinite workspace that follows you wherever you go. Number 9. Smarter search engines. Search engines like Google will become smarter. They will understand context, voice, and emotion behind queries. AI-powered search engines will provide conversational answers, visual summaries, and real-time updates. Chat-like interactions with search engines will be common. They'll anticipate your needs, personalize suggestions, and present information in a more engaging manner. Imagine asking a question and receiving an answer in a chat format complete with images and videos. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you find what you need instantly. 10 real-world use cases. The internet in 2025 won't remain confined to our screens. It will impact our real-world experiences in profound ways. Smart homes will control everything from air conditioners to security systems. Farmers will use internet-connected drones to monitor crops. Commuters will navigate smart cities with ease. Students will attend virtual global classrooms. Imagine sitting in your room and attending a class taught by a renowned professor from across the globe. The internet of 2025 will make such scenarios a reality. In conclusion, the internet in 2025 will be a transformative force reshaping how we communicate, work, play, and learn. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's essential to stay informed, adapt to the changes, and harness the opportunities presented by these advancements. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply someone looking to better understand the digital world around you, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep connecting. After all, the future of the internet is in our hands. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tech in simple terms. Do you think Web3 will take over the internet? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.